How's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's doing great. Just came out here to this vehicle. Customer complaint is that it began to overheat and he noticed water leaking. So what we're going to do is pressurize the cooling system and take a look and see what's going on, or at least where the source of the leak is. We're going to pressurize this to, it calls for 1.1 bar, which is around 15 psi. So we're going to pump it up to at least, I would say like 10, 12 psi and see if we notice any type of leaks. All right, so I got it at around close to 13 psi. So I'm gonna leave it there, and we're gonna take a look and see if we find any type of leak. I'm gonna bring you guys over and see what we can find. All right, as you guys can see down there, there's definitely that looks like a heater bypass hose. So that's a bad boy that's leaking. I'm gonna advise the customer, get him a quote and see what he says. But that's the source of the leak. All right, so we're taking a closer look at this hose that's leaking coolant. Actually, there's the hose that goes to the, looks like it might be for the actual cooler for the transmission line, for the transmission itself, the transmission oil. And that's this bad boy right here. And this is the coolant line that's actually leaking.
Need a drip pan or anything? Or?
All right, so we're going to be removing this old transmission cooler line. This is the one where the leak is. small blade. All right, so that completes the installation of this cooler line. So we're gonna add some coolant, not much leaked, pressurize the system, and it should be good to go. So now we're gonna pressurize the system and see if it holds pressure and make sure there's no leaks within that trans cooler line. Got this set up to 14 psi, so we're going to take a look and see if we see anything. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys in. System's holding nice and steady. So far so good, Ron. It's holding pressure. It's not leaking.
Cool.
That's a good sign. I'll check the other side, make sure. Yeah.
Was the other one cracked?
No. The other one was fine. It was just this side that was leaking.
No, but I mean the hose we replaced, was that cracked?
There was like a seal that was damaged on it, and I think it's steady, no leaks, which is good. You remember that one?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So, and it's holding. We're at 14 psi.
What psi is it when you drive?
This one is 1.1 bar, which is 15 psi.
Mm-hmm.
So we pump it up to 15. 15 right there. Success. All right, let me just the pressure. All right, so I'm officially done with this 2017 Hyundai Elantra. I replaced that leaky hose. Engine's purring like a nice little kitten. And I was just gonna let it idle for a little bit and take a look at the cooling system. But thank you for joining me. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. All right, till the next ride, you guys have a good one.